Hello there, I'm Adam Short and I am with Short Financial Group. I am an advanced certified QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor, and today I would like to show you how to properly enter and process bank deposits in QBO. We are in the QBO test drive file, and this is accessible for free if you do a Google search, QBO test drive. And here we have Craig's Design and Landscaping Services. This is a fictional company, but it will allow you to practice in QBO without messing anything up. Okay, so first of all, we want to do a bank deposit. Let's first go to customers because I want to show you where the workflow will start. And here we have our customers. I'm going to click Amy's Bird Sanctuary, and she has an outstanding invoice here that has not been paid that we're going to receive a payment for very quickly. And the amount is $239. We're going to receive it in the form of a check number 123. And note here, it's the deposit to account is undeposited funds. We want to definitely not pick our bank account for this, because if we do, QuickBooks will not be able to track our deposits. And I'll show you what that means in a minute. But here we have the invoice against which the payment was applied, invoice 1021, the amount $239, and we'll save and close that. Now it's been saved and it says paid. We'll close that screen. And now we'll go back to the home. You don't have to go back to the home screen before you do this, but I just for the sake of simplicity, we'll click the plus sign at the top center, and then under other, bank deposit. And now we're ready to take our payment to the bank that we just received. You'll notice here it says Amy's Bird Sanctuary. This is an existing payment that QuickBooks is tracking for us. And the way it does that is when you receive payment in the form of check or cash or even credit card, depending on how your merchant processor is set up, it's really a good idea to receive that payment in undeposited funds, so that when you go to make a bank deposit, you can simply check off which payments comprise that particular deposit. This comes in handy, particularly when you have multiple payments to deposit for multiple clients and sources. So in this case today, we want to deposit the payment from Amy's Bird Sanctuary, the $239 check, and then we also want to deposit the payment received from Cool Cars for $1675.52. And now QuickBooks has calculated the total deposit amount here of $1914.52. And so we'll scroll down here. We have the total deposit amount right here. And just make sure that your account up here is the proper account. Sometimes QuickBooks will pick the wrong account because it's the last account you deposited into. So just make sure you pick the right one. So this is our checking account we're going to deposit into. And when we're finished, we'll click Save and Close. And that deposit has been made. And to show you that, let me go to the checking account. In your right-hand portion of your screen, you just click that. And here we have the checking account highlighted. Now let me click the Register so we can look at the deposit. Here's the deposit. September 12th, the deposit was for $1,914.52. And if for whatever reason down the road you forget what was in that deposit, you can click it and click Edit, and the screen will show up and it will tell you, it will remind you what payments corresponded to that deposit. So there's no more guesswork in trying to figure out what was in the deposit. Even if you don't have a deposit slip from the bank, QuickBooks will have the breakdown for you. And I hope that video was helpful in how to enter a bank deposit in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Adam Short with Short Financial Group. Please do check us out at shortfinancial.com for more videos. Thanks again.